Welcome to Daily New Drawings. Hello everyone, welcome to the Daily New Drawings channel. We are going to draw and color Bluey and her mother. Bluey is a 6-year-old blue puppy who loves her mom. Her name is Chili. I start with her eyes, then I draw her nose. And her smiling mouth. And her eyebrows too. Side of parenthood, draw the shape of her head. Then I draw her ears in the shape of rectangle. Now I continue with her body. I draw her arms. Finally, I draw her patches around her body. Now I am going to draw Bluey. I start with her eyes, then I draw her nose like this, and her smiling mouth. I draw the shape of her head and her eyebrows too. I draw her triangle-shaped ears. I draw her arms. Now I continue with her body. Then I draw her legs. Finally, I draw her patches around her body and her tail. Well done! Now I am going to use this black marker to make this drawing more beautiful and lovely. Let's start coloring. I color Chili first. I use this light cream color. At the beginning, she has the same color fur as Bingo. Also for her ears, dark brown red. And then light brown color marker. Let's start color Bluey. I am going to use cream around the nose. And also for her inner ears, black. Then I use dark blue around her eyes. For her ears and patches, I use this blue marker. Finally, I use this light blue marker. So cool! If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.